Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Zara cap with adjustable back. You have never seen this type anywhere. You should watch till the end. I found it. Okay, so let's get started. The size of my bridal satin is 28 inches by 18 inches, and the size of my Mako is 2.8 inches by 18 inches. So what I'm going to do now is to neatly fold the sides, the edges of my bridal satin. Okay, I'll take it to my machine, achieve that, and I'll be back. So I'm back. You can see I folded the three sides, but the top part that would have my mako, I did not bother to fold it since I was still folding my mako. Now I'll just take the center, I'll notch the center after folding into two, and then I'm going to get the center of my mako too, which is exactly what I'm doing here now. So just watch carefully and follow. It's easy if you watch and then remember to practicalize so you won't forget. So now I'm going to place them on each other. Can you see? The wrong part is facing me. The fine part is under of my bridal satin. So now I'm going to fold it in, and then I'll give in few inches, just maybe zero point 0.5 inches allowance between the end of my mako and my bridal satin, that part that I want to fold. Yes. So I'm going to fold it in and sew from one end to the other. Then I'll sew this other side too to hold down the mako. So I'm done stitching. The next thing I'm going to do is from the end, as you can see, from the end of this mako part, I'm going to measure 2 inches. This will cover for my Velcro magic tape. What do you call it in your side? Some call it magic tape, some call it Velcro, but normally it's called Velcro magic tape. Let me know in the comment section what you call it. Okay, so I have 2 inches away. Can you see? Now that's where my Mako, my Velcro magic tape will be. I just took the measurement and I'm going to stick it on there so it can be adjustable. Okay. Now keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. Like I said, this is not your regular Zara cap, so you should watch till the end to learn my secrets. Okay. So now I'm going to measure out 5 inches. Just watch and follow. Like I said, this is not your regular Zara cap. Please watch, like, comment, share so others will benefit from this new knowledge because I formed it. Okay, so fine. I've measured out 5 inches. Now I'm going to do a running stitch. Your running stitch shouldn't be too runny. Like, make sure that the spaces in between your threads, your stitches, that they are not wide. Do you understand? So that's what I'm going to do now from where my 5 inches stopped till the other end of my Zara cap. So just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. Watch till the end. This is not your regular Zara cap. If you have not subscribed up until now, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly videos every Wednesday. So now I'm going to start attaching this my sequin embellishment. Yes, it's serving as an embellishment. If you don't know how I got this embellishment, how I was able to achieve it, then you should click on the link showing on your screen right now so you can watch how I was able to achieve this. So now using my needle and thread, I'll neatly sew this onto my Zara cap. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. I will show you how I achieved that. Well, I'll do it round. I'll just put it in, watch gradually, watch carefully so you understand this part. It has to be very neat, okay? So it's more like invisible stitches that I'm trying to achieve here, and I'll do this round. I love my fascinators, my Zara caps. I love them very firm and neatly done. So I'll take the paint to sew this round, round, round. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. If you would love to show me what you made from this, then you can send it to this number showing on your screen. It's my WhatsApp number. Okay. So now I'm done stitching round. I'm going to attach my triple decked crinoline embellished with rose. I'll attach it at the back of my Zara cap. Watch carefully how I'm doing this. I had to open up the Velcro magic tape and I'm using one side to attach my embellishment. If you do not know how I achieved that embellishment, you should click on the link showing on your screen right now. So I'm going to stitch until it is very firm, neatly, okay? So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing I'm going to do is to sew the inner part of my Zara cap. That part you did a running stitch on. Use your sewing machine to sew it well. And that will be all. Please share, like, and comment so others can benefit.